Hello students, today we'll learn the MCOM topic consolidation of financial statements as per Ind AS 110 and accounting standard 21. Definitions as per AS 21 issued by the ICAI. First definition is subsidiary company. The company that is controlled by another company known as the parent company. If parent company controls any company, then another company or any company is called subsidiary company. As parent company has the decision making power, it has more than 51% shares of the subsidiary company. Second, parent company or holding company. It is a company that has one or more subsidiaries. If holding company has one or more subsidiary companies, then it is called parent company. Third, group. A group is a parent and all its subsidiaries. So group means parent company and all the other subsidiary companies is called group. So sometimes what happens, there is one holding company and it has got two or three subsidiary companies, then it is called group. Consolidated financial statement. So this topic we are doing the holding company topic. So consolidated financial statements are the financial statements of a group presented as those of a single company. So whenever the financial statements of a group means holding company, means parent company, and its subsidiary companies are presented as a single unit, then it is called consolidated financial statements. We'll see the example of holding company and subsidiary company. Just see the A Limited is a holding company as it has got a 51% shares of the B Limited. Whenever any company holds more than 50% shares of the another company, it is called holding company. In this example, A Limited is holding company. Now B Limited is a subsidiary of A Limited, as A Limited has got 51% shares of this company. Now whenever we are doing the problem of holding company or consolidated financial statement, we have to start with the basics. We have to start with the simple problems. We have to clear our concept. Then we can do the difficult and complicated problems of the holding company. So here I had given you the problem number 1. Just see the problem number 1. Prepare a consolidated balance sheet. Now here you are given the two companies, Vijay Limited and Ajay Limited. Now the first problem is that you have to find out which is the holding company and which is the subsidiary company. If you see on the asset side, you are given the investment. Investment you are given 25,000 shares in Ajay Limited, and the amount is given in the Vijay Limited. It means the Vijay Limited is the holding company and Ajay Limited is subsidiary company. So in this way, on the asset side, if you see the investment, and you can easily recognize which is the holding company and subsidiary company. So here Vijay Limited is a holding company because it has 100% shares of the Ajay Limited. Now how to solve this problem? Now just see the solution. Consolidate balance sheet of Vijay Limited means holding company and its subsidiary Ajay Limited. as on 31st March 2020. Now in vertical form, you have to prepare the consolidated balance sheet. First will come equity and liabilities. Always you to start with the liability side. Just see on the liability side, first you given the equity share capital. Now equity share capital will come under the shareholders fund, equity share capital. Only you have to write down equity share capital of holding company, that is Vijay Limited. Amount is 5 lakhs and you have to ignore the capital of subsidiary company. The second you given on the liability side, creditors. Now you have to remember one thing, that whenever you have not given any adjustment relating to the current liabilities or creditors or current assets, then directly you have to make the total of holding company and subsidiary company amount and you have to write down in the consolidated balance sheet. Here there is no adjustment relating to creditors, so the second current liabilities, under that you have to write down creditors in the consolidated balance sheet, 5 lakhs plus 1 lakh 50,000, so amount will come 6 lakhs 50,000. If you make the total, it will come 11 lakh 50,000. Now we have to start with asset side. Now asset side, first you given the investment. Now investment of the holding company in the books in the subsidiary company will not be considered. It will not come here. Why? That we'll learn in the other videos. Whenever we do the other problems, then you will learn that why this investment will not come here. Next is debtors. Debtors will come under the current assets. Now, and no adjustment is given relating to debtors. So here also what we'll do, we'll make the total of Vijay Limited and Ajay Limited, 7 lakh 50,000 plus 4 lakh. Holding company and subsidiary company will make the total and we write down the amount in the amount column, 11 lakh 50,000. So if we see the total of equity and liabilities tallies with the asset side. So in this way we will solve the problem of consolidate financial statements. In other videos, we'll see the cost of control or goodwill or how to calculate the minority interest. So everything will cover in the next video. If you like the video, just like it and subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you students for watching video.